Right, so I just built these two landing pages on GoHighLevel. One of them is this dark mode themed, super techy, super modern. Other one is light mode, zero custom code elements, completely free of custom code. And both of them look pretty sick in my opinion, so let's go over them. Alright, so let's start with the dark mode because this one is insane. When you first land in, you're greeted by this hero section, a big header that says never miss a lead at 2 AM again, and this word is highlighted. It has this glowing effect, right? Super specific, super clear. The prospect knows exactly what problem you're solving within 2 seconds when they land on this page. And the background isn't some boring gradient or stock photo. This is AI generated, kind of this wave, teal glow effect. This just makes the whole website feel alive. Alright. And then we have the call to actions, claim your area or watch demo, and this logo effect that says trusted by 20 plus businesses. Then once you scroll down, you see this dashboard mockup right here of GoHighLevel. This is built with custom code, showing exactly how the dashboard or the software looks like. Right, this builds trust because the prospect can see what they're actually getting. Then we get into my favorite section, which is the solutions, kind of this bento grid. I really like this. This looks amazing in my own opinion. If you haven't figured out yet, I really like glows and dark theme. So I built this, and these are all animated. The graphics are animated, made by custom code completely. AI automations, AI websites, AI chatbot, AI reputation, AI voice agent. This is probably my favorite part of the website. This is how showcase features without boring the visitor to death. You just show them visually what they're getting. Bento grids are super popular in today's websites. Apple, everyone uses them. Now we scroll down a little bit more and we get to this section. We don't just build it, we run it for you completely. Now this is positioning, alright? I focused on actually making the website convert more. I don't just slap gradients or glows. I'm not trying to make the website look pretty, I'm trying to make it convert. So you're not just selling a website or a chatbot, you're selling a done for you solution. The prospect doesn't have to lift a finger. So this is a little about us section. Just a simple text block. Most agencies hand you a website and wish you luck. And we built the entire AI system from scratch, completely done for you. And keep it running so you can focus on what you do best, alright? Now we scroll down and get to this section. Now each one of these sections has an actual conversation mockup happening. This is super powerful because the prospect can literally see themselves using this. Alright, so this is appointments booked while you sleep. Obviously AI qualifies the leads, offers time slots, and books the appointment. Right, and we have turn happy customers into 5-star reviews, wake up dead leads, respond in seconds, turn clients into sales teams. This is done by custom code as well. Super cool to have, missed calls, everything. Then we have this integrate with section, and you just have all the logos right here. Obviously you would need to change your own company logo to here. And scroll down and we get this social proof section, trusted by 50 local businesses, and then just a little paragraph of how your solution helps the businesses. Then the pricing section. Alright, you see this toggle right here, it's monthly, annually. When you click on annually, the prices obviously change. This is custom code. I showed you how to do this in a previous video. I'll maybe link it up somewhere right here. But basically you're just duplicating your pricing table and showing a different one based on which toggle is selected, right? This increases conversions because people feel like they're getting a deal when they switch to annual, and obviously you get more money, so you're giving them options, you're like letting them feel in control. Alright, then FAQs, you would need to put your own right here. Alright, that is the dark mode side. A little more premium, a little more text feel like. But let me show you the light one because this proves you don't need custom code to build something beautiful and high converting. So completely different vibe here. When you land on this page you get this dreamy sky background, clouds. It feels warm, it like feels inviting. It feels relaxed, if you know what I mean. And obviously the header gets to the point immediately. Imagine your business but automated. We build AI powered solutions that run your day to day, so you can run the big picture. Alright, so basically we do the boring stuff. And right below, once again I have the trusted by businesses with their logos. You know, same concept as the dark mode site, immediately building credibility And scroll down, we get to what do we offer. This bento grid, 4 cards, AI chatbots, AI reputation, AI powered CRM, AI voice bots. Each one has like this little 3D illustration graphic. These are not done by custom code. But obviously make the page feel more premium and polished. Make it feel like you actually put effort into this site. And that matters a lot. First impressions matter more than you think, okay? Then we have the what we do section. Once again a little text block explaining simply how we help them, how we are the right fit for their business, our solutions, everything like that. And then why work with us, once again highlighting the problems they have, never miss a lead, we fix that, more time back. Everything in one place, so instead of juggling multiple tools, logins, everything. Basically everything running smoothly if you decide to work with us. And then testimonials section, then pricing section, 3 cards, 147, 297, and custom. Super clean, super clear, make it stupid simple for them to understand what they're paying for. And FAQs, and then the footer. And this would be your business name if you decide to keep this. So there you go, 2 completely different websites, one dark mode, more premium, and one light mode, clear and simple, no code. Alright, so if you want access to these websites, first link in the description. The light one is 127 and the dark one is 147. Pretty cheap pricing compared to others in this market. And join the Discord down below. I have custom code effects completely for free. I'm not gatekeeping anything, alright? But I'll see you in the next video.